Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a simple login program using Swing in JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I would like to mention a good friend of mine who is always helping us in the content of my channel, Tom. He is a software engineer that specializing in C#, in C++, Java, in C programming. Tom is a very close friend of mine who sharing his ideas in the field of technology and computer programming. Thank you very much, Tom, for the support. Okay, so I'm using Eclipse as my IDE. Okay, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we have here a series of comments, simple login using Swing in Java, public class, login demo, extend JFrame. So in this line of code, we declare the different objects, the label, the text fields, and then the button. And then we have here public demo. We have here the properties of the form. We will just walk through here, and then the OK button here, and then the password, the username, and then this is for the event, no? So if the username equals admin and password equals 123, it will display J option pane, means show dialog box, login successful, else login failed, and then else other is exit 0, no? Return to our operating system. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our program. Don't worry guys. Let us run. Let's say we have wrong username and password. It will display login failed. Click OK. Admin 1234. Sorry, 123. Click OK. Login successful. Okay, so that's it. This is our program, simple login using Swing in Java. So this is the end of our tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.